What is up, guys? Just a bit of a construction update. It looks like they're going to try and do something here. Maybe tarmacking, I think, or just a site entrance. They're definitely breaking a few things, that's for sure. It's a big lorry to be in there, and I can't see. So it looks like they've got a tarmacker up there. A tarmac machine being reversed. And then they've put a load of boards down and some signage, some cones and that just there, and taken out part of the fence. That is definitely a tarmacking machine right there. That awkward looking red thing. So it looks like what they may do is start tarmacking this little road down here that comes all the way down and comes out here. We'll have to see. Let's see what they do. I'll keep you updated.